Hey, hello loved ones, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're doing a makeup tutorial. Finally we're doing it. So here is my canvas basically. So we are starting off by powdering the face like you see me doing. I'm using the Sasha, is it Sasha or Sasha? That one, the buttercup powder, just to powder the face, because I think the foundation just sits better on the face when I do powder before foundation. It's just a trick I've learned. Okay, next step we are doing the eyebrows, and you're starting off by brushing them up so that the eyebrow hairs will be defined. I don't know if I'm making sense, but brush them upwards in an upwards motion like that before you go in with the eyebrow pencil. Next we are going in with the eyebrow pencil. I'm using the Davis number 3 eyebrow pencil. So I usually start off by defining the eyebrows before filling in the eyebrows. So I define the eyebrows like you see me doing right there, drawing the upper line and the lower line before I start filling the inside of the eyebrow. I hope that makes sense. So I go in like that, and for us to achieve the look that we desire. So this is us moments later, after cleaning the eyebrows, after filling in the eyebrows. So what we're basically doing right now is making sure that every part of the eyebrow is looking the way I want it to look like, okay, to my liking. So the lower part I concealed it with the concealer, and the upper part you conceal it with your foundation shade. So this is just me about to do the eyes. So what I do, I just use the concealer that I used to clean the eyebrows. I pat it on the eyes like you see me doing. I pat it. This is just me making sure the eyebrows are defined, just like that, to make sure it brings that stroke like, I don't know what to call it, stroke like thing, so that they can look like hairs or something. Okay, just defining the eyebrows to look the way I want. So yeah, on to the eyeshadow. My eyeshadow, I use the concealer that I was using to clean the eyebrows on the eyes, and that is me doing the eyeshadow after setting the eye. What I mean by setting the eye is basically applying concealer on the eye so that you can set the eye before applying the eyeshadow. It's just me applying the powder, what is it called, eyeshadow in powder form. So you apply it so that you can set it. When you do that, it sets the eye, and it makes sure that whatever you're going to apply next is going to pop. Yeah, that is what I do. So this is me doing the cut crease. So here is a trick on how you can do your cut crease. So you can use a concealer that is very light. Very light if you want to use a very bright color and you want that color to pop. And if you are doing a neutral color, a color that you don't want to pop, you can still use your concealer, the concealer shade that you use. But here, because I want a color that wants to pop, so I'm doing a very light concealer to cut the crease before I apply the the color on the eyes. You can use either concealer, or you can use a eye primer. But since I do not have a primer, you have to invent your ways on how you can do it. But it's still, both ways are still good. So here, a lighter concealer to cut the crease is the way we are doing right now. I'm always for the neutral kind of colors. I'm not very bold with whatever I do. Usually jishuku most of the times, but today I decided to do the thing. And we went for a purple color. So that is just me doing the purple work. Huko, just applying on the parts where I've applied the concealer. So you do that, just take your time, don't be in any rush, take your time, make sure every part, every bit of the cut crease is getting all that goodness, like that. So we are going to do a purple shade on the other side, on half of the eye, not half. On the other half, you're going to do a black shade. So when you mix the two, it brings a very bluish kind of color. So that is what I want to achieve. So brush the black color on the outer part of the eye, like that, like you see me doing. So that then make sure you blend them inside. You blend the two colors so that you attain that color I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see it, but it has that bluish, I don't know if it a color that is it's not black and it's not purple. I don't know if I'm making sense. Just hapo katikati, and then so that it can huko katikati, huko nje ikue black. I don't know if I'm making sense. That is what I want to attain. So that's just me priming and moisturizing the face. So you moisturize, then prime the face before any foundation. After priming, after moisturizing and priming, now you're doing the blending of the foundation. So just applied the foundation all over the face, and I'm just trying to blend it. You want to achieve a good result, so you blend it with a damp beauty blender. So you blend that out, you blend kabisa, you blend yani you blend kabisa, you blend hadi usikie mkono imechoka, you blend kabisa. And after that you go in with your concealer, the concealer that you used to conceal your eyebrows. Use it on the under eyes, the nose bridge, and huko forehead and chin, like you'll see me doing. So for me, I like doing it part by part. So I do one eye, do the concealer, then the powder, so that the concealer does not dry. And when it dries and then you apply the powder on top, it looks, I don't know, it looks funny. So just like doing a part by part. So one eye, I do the concealer, the brush, then I'm done with that part. I do the other eye like that, like you'll see me doing. Then I discovered that I lost footage on the contouring bit. So let's just do the lips. So on the lips, I went in with the lip liner on the outer part and the katikati. I went in with a different color to attain that ombre look and then a glossy look, and that is our final look. We went and did the lashes off camera. That's the final look. That is my canvas, that is my model, that is my mule after the makeup session. Thanks for watching. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you next time, and please subscribe, like and share if you like my content. If you want me to do more of these videos, comment down below so that we can grow together. Bye.